guys, what's poppin'? It's Saurabh Shinde over here and you're watching the Cocktail Vlogs. So basically the start of this vlog starts from that exams finally खत्म हो गए TY के, जो बहुत struggle के time से चालू था. And finally ये plan initiate किया था हमने a week prior from this day. And tomorrow morning we are planning to leave to Lonavala. But the biggest problem is it's raining over here a lot. So finally after a long struggle, we have finally made it that we are going to Lonavala today. It's 6:41 in the morning. At night it was raining so heavy that we were about to cancel the whole plan. We were going to call our villa partner, everything, the itinerary was going to get cancelled, everything at night only. Finally it was a right choice to make and we left for Lonavala, and the weather is being very good to us today and it's quite sunny. इधर यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लेते हुए हमारे सस्ते स्टारलॉट and finally after short 1 minute break we are off again. We'll be standing next. इस चीज़ ने सबसे ज़्यादा परेशान किया इस रोड पे, सबसे ज़्यादा. दिस इज़ द 26th स्पीड ब्रेकर ऑफ द रोड एंड अंदर का पूरा ब्रेकफास्ट ऊपर नीचे हो चुका है. सो वी आर हियर एट खोपोली नाउ. वी हैव रीच्ड खोपोली. It took an hour for us to reach over here and we are here for a short transitional break now. With a climate like this and this enters into your life, it's like heavenly combination when you enjoy this. The biggest secret we are carrying this time, you can see this जादू का बैग, and इस जादू के बैग में से निकला है, ये निकला है हमारे जादू के बैग में से. After a half an hour का transition break, now we are off. तो चले भाई लोग, all set bro, let's go. Supposed to be the part of our break point, but still the scene, the view, the fog, सिर्फ 10 मीटर का फ़र्क है, सिर्फ 10 मीटर का विजिबिलिटी यहाँ पे पूरे लेन में, only 10 meters, but the view is so beautiful that you cannot stop watching it. You can watch it for the whole day, standing watching it all day and enjoying. It's very beautiful and it's very pleasant to be standing over here and seeing this. It's only 10 meters of visibility. इसके आगे कुछ भी नहीं दिखेगा आपको, कुछ भी नहीं, जब तक आप पहुँचोगे नहीं. See, यहाँ से गाड़ी भी ऐसा लगता है इवॉल्व होके आ रहा है कहीं पे से तो फॉग में से. Finally we entered Lonavala. 5-10 minutes back. Finally we are going to explore the point. Not the regular tiger points and whatever points we know in Lonavala, but these are the points which my friends came in, saw in and they really enjoyed the place. So we'll be visiting those places, the places that nobody has visited. So on this channel, henceforth you will be always experiencing something new which no one has experienced ever before. We'll be exploring new places, something new, better and more charismatic. So enjoy the vlog. Finally we are at the place. People have visited Bushi Dam and other dams in Lonavala. I don't know, actually I'm very new to the place, but still this is the place where no one has ever visited. Only the villagers know about this place. Bit of a trekking over here and we'll be up there soon. It's a struggle to carry this bag and load up, but the view, oh my god, look at the view guys. The view is so beautiful from here, really beautiful. Only the fog misses. The video which we saw, which a friend had, that had fog in it, a lot of fog. दिस स्ट्रगल इज रियल, दिस स्ट्रगल इज रियल। सिर्फ एक फोटो ये सब करा रहा है इनको। साधना ऑल गुड? ओके। दिस प्लेस इज सो मेस्मराइजिंग दैट बता नहीं सकते, मतलब वर्ड्स नहीं है इस चीज़ को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए। द पॉइंट इज कि एग्ज़ाम्स के बाद और इतना लॉकडाउन के बाद हेक्टिक शेड्यूल्स एंड ऑल, उसके बाद ये सब एंजॉय करना इज़ लाइक रियली पीसफुल। और एक झटके में यहाँ पे मौसम ने अपने जज्बात ही बदल दिए, सब कुछ बदल दिया, वक्त बदल गए, जज्बात बदल गए और ये हो गया। और ये कुछ ऐसा था थोड़े टाइम पहले। इसके बाद वाला शॉट रहेगा टाइम लैप्स वाला, तो देखिए समय ने कैसे बदला वक्त और कैसे बदले जज्बात। Being present over here, only GOT fans will understand this. कि this gave me the kick of winter is coming. It was a real kick of winter is coming. And ऐसा लगा अभी उसी में से वाइट वॉकर्स आने वाले और हम यहाँ से भागने वाले। डैम वी हेडेड टूवर्ड्स आवर विला बैक अगेन बिकॉज सब लोग बहुत थक चुके थे, बिकॉज किसी ने सोया नहीं था and everybody wanted rest, so we headed towards the villa, but the road was a very struggling way to go. ऑफ रोड करना नहीं था बट ऑफ रोड हो गया, वो भी एक्टिवा के साथ। एंड कुछ इस तरह फंसे हम आगे चल के।
Oh God. ये आराम से। Yes.
The road was very slushy. एक्टिवा पे आज ऑफ रोडिंग हो चुका है अपना। I guess I have to give the camera back. No, I can still move. Very simple, very easy. Easy peasy. चलो finally we have got some road to drive. Have a road. पहले तो ऐसा दिख रहा था कि यहाँ से रास्ता कहाँ जा रहा है, but then the road is over here. So फाइनली आफ्टर सच अ स्लशी ऑफ रोड भटक भटक के कहाँ डूब के वी हैव अराइव्ड एट अ प्लेस एंड स्टार्ट में इट लुक्स रियली ब्यूटीफुल। देखते हैं। एंड नाउ एज पर प्लान सब रेडी हो गए, बट प्लान में थोड़े चेंजेस आ गए। वी वर सपोज टू गो टू कोराईगढ़ एंड देन पौना लेक। हमारा प्लान कल का था कि हम एकवीरा देवी जाएंगे, बट वो प्लान अभी आज पे ले लिया हमने एंड विल गो टू एकवीरा मंदिर। वहाँ पे थोड़ा दर्शन माथा टेकेंगे, जितना जो था विल प्रे फॉर द गुड फॉर द फ्यूचर सो दैट वी डू गुड एंड ये जर्नी ऐसे कंटिन्यू रहे हमेशा। And then वहाँ से we'll come back, we'll have a rest night actually. Then tomorrow we'll again continue to Koraigad and then Pauna Lake. So see you there. And as per decided and planned, we have finally reached at Ekvira Devasthan. finally made it till Ekvira Mandir. The climbing was steep, very steep. I didn't think that my Activa would make it, but still luckily it made it up till here. But unfortunately, once we reached there, we got to know that you can only go and have darshan at the gates. Only at the gates, you are not allowed to go inside. Only till the gates, and you'll be coming back. Every year, the Agri Koris of Mumbai and all over Maharashtra, they praise her as their mother, the nature mother, the Holy mother, and they really treat her as their mother. They really respect and devote themselves towards her. And on every year of Nari Purnima and in every Navratri, there is a big celebration conducted in this mandir, and the line which starts from here ends up till 5 to 10 kilometers till down. मतलब जहाँ से हमने गाड़ी पार्क किया है या जहाँ से हमने घाट चढ़ना भी शुरू किया यहाँ का, उधर तक लाइन रहता है ये. And people celebrated it on a very big level over here, and it's very crazy, and it was very nice to listen about and know about this place. And many more to come, guys, many more to come. Just keep watching this, stay tuned, and thank you if you're watching, if you're seeing and you're watching it till here. It means a lot that you're watching this video till here, and peace.